Hi, now we'll show you how to create employee in our Premium ERP step by step. For that, you need to hover onto employee section, click on it, click on add department. So you might have created a branch of your school. You need to select that, give the department's name. I'm keeping it as housekeeping. Let's save it, and your housekeeping department is getting reflected over here. You can see it. So next step is add a designation. Click on add designation. Again, select branch, create a designation name, let's say manager, save it, and your designation will start reflecting over here, manager. Next, click on add employee. Here you need to select the branch again, select the role, select the joining date. Let's say I'm selecting the joining date. Here you'll get to see the designation as in which have been created is manager. Select the department. We have created a department called housekeeping. Put up a qualification. These are not mandatory, so I'm not putting it. Give a name, let's say Ashton. Select as gender. So these are not that mandatory. You can give a mobile number. Give an email ID. Putting all that credentials over here. Alright, so we need to give one username. Let's say keep a password. Right, you can skip this bank details and save this information. So now you can see your employee has been created over here. Alright, so this is how you can create your employee on our ERP. Thank you so much.